this is Christy. Today I'm gonna show you a new haul that I got from Surprise Creations. I'm in the design team of the store and I received the dies for March, okay, the new releases. And I'm gonna show you the dies and my projects. And right here is the first one, is this set right here of eggs and this window and this bowl. And here is the bowl. I didn't use it, but I just cut it for you. See? And right here is my project. I made a shaker, and this is how I decorated the top with some tulle and ribbon. Okay, and this can be a tag, so you can put at the back, to and from, and a message or something, and put in your basket. Okay, so this is how it looks. See how beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna show you another one. And I have this one. It was supposed to be a keychain, but I love this design because it looks like a medallion. This can be a very nice seal for wedding invitations or something like that. So I made a rosette, and as you can see right here, here is the medallion, and this is the design. And I just put this embellishment in the center. It looks very, very gorgeous, elegant, right? So it's simple. You just make the rosette, and you can add a paper doily and some ribbon, and that's it. You have a beautiful and elegant rosette. So you can use it in many ways, okay? So now I'm gonna show you another one. And it's this one right here, this set. This one has right here embossing flowers, and it has these two dies that cut, okay, the shapes, but the first one doesn't, okay? So I made a card, and my card looks like this. See, as you can see, this is the first die, and it's just one piece of paper, and then here are the two layers. And just to see the difference, I just embossed one, and then the other one just plain, and put my sentiment on top. Then I added this bow on the side. That's another sample. And I love making white cards. Just clean and simple. See? So now I'm going to show you more stuff. And I have another Easter right here, Easter die. And this is a set of many pieces. Right here it has the sentiments that says Easter wishes, bunny kisses, flowers, grass, and this one that is to stack on the floor and label things for plants. In the egg that this one cuts in two pieces. So this is my sample right here, and I just put a paper at the back, see? And then these are the two pieces of the eggs, and these are the flowers. I layer these flowers. There are two flowers in each one, so it looks full. And for this one, there is the big one and the small one together, so you have this effect of the flowers, see? And then I just put a rhinestone in the center, and here behind is the grass. Right here I cut another white paper to enhance the color of the sentiment, and it says Easter wishes. So I just decorate like this, and then I put some more grass right here and more flowers. So I think this is a lovely card for Easter, and you can play with it. You can arrange in different ways. You can maybe make it longer like this and put more stuff. See? But this is a sample. But this is just an idea on how to play with this die. Okay? So now I'm gonna show you more I received this one, and this is, I think, bubbles or eggs. It looks more like bubbles, and I really didn't know how to play with this one, but I will try to figure out. It's a beautiful design of bubbles, and they are stitched right here, as you can see. So this is how it looks. So I am going to show you in the future something that I make with this one, okay? I don't have it yet, but this is how it cuts. Now I'm gonna show you one more. Now I'm gonna show you another set of dies, and it's this one right here, okay? This set, it's like a dimensional scene of mountains, valleys, and a fence that you can use, and the size is pretty big. I love it. So I made like a card, and it's this one right here. Just put them together, and as you can see, I make it dimensional with foam tape behind, and I just added this one, and this one is from Tim Holtz. See, they have words like discover, enjoy the journey, everything for traveling. So this is what I use. And here is what it comes, okay? It comes the background, which is this one right here, okay? This is the size. See, you cut the blue sky with this one, and that holds everything. Then, for example, here is the mountain. And here is the mountain. See, right here. So you cut this one and you just place it there. You can place it down here or a little more to the top. It's up to you, okay? So this is the mountain. Then right here comes the layer of the trees. So you cut each in different color, and you can add them. And then right here, this can be like a river. I just make like the feel. When you go hiking, you see like bumps and rocks. So this is it. It can be like water. See? And I just use 2 layers of that. And then it comes with the grass, which is this one right here. And it comes also with a fence. So you can make a very nice scene with a fence on top. Okay, maybe for spring you can put flowers all around the fence. So it would be amazing if you change this one in different ways. I just didn't want to add this one at this time, but I was thinking like to put this one on top and maybe add some flowers and vines. See? And right here there are these 2 pieces, so you can make a foldable card. And I'm loving this one for making a mini album. See? So now I'm gonna show you one more, and these are 2 sets, and these are big. It comes 11 dies in each one, and look, and this one cuts plain, okay, and this one has double stitch. So if you want to make like a shaker or a frame, you can cut your paper and then cut one of these, and it will give stitches to the outer side, okay, for the frame. And then you can use the egg in another project. You can play with this one in so many different ways. And I measured the side, and it's 6 inches. So you can use this one in any standard machine. Okay, these 2, you can use it for any standard machine, and it's just long right here. You can make a mini album. You can make a mini album with a big one, and then maybe put 2 holes right here and pass the pages, and you can make like frames with this and you can use the other sizes to make the frames, to slide the pictures. So many things. There are so many things that you can make with these ones. So I'm gonna show you what I made with these dies, and it's a card. Made this card, and look, I used this die right here. It was one of the middle ones, okay, for my card. And what I did is I just cut the egg, okay, and then I cut it in half. Then I used, for this half on top, I use another die, okay. For example, if it was this, then I use this one right here, okay, so it can be kind of thick, the handle of my basket. So I use the skipping one of them, I use the next one, and I made this another cut so I can have the stitching, as you can see, the stitching inside and outside of the cuts, because this one has double stitch, so it's perfect. See, so there I just glue this one, okay. And these little eggs, I didn't want stitches on them, so I use the tiny one right here to just cut the eggs. And I cut eggs in different colors, and I just put on the floor and in the basket. See, this is an idea on how to use these dies. You can make cards, you can make mini albums, you can make lots of decoration, even for your Easter decorations. You can cut big of these eggs and maybe put like and you can make up banners or Happy Easter or something. See, so it's awesome. I love nesting dies, and this one is so beautiful. See, so this is my sample for these two. And last but not least is this set of dies that I received, and these are so gorgeous. I really love them. I love them so much that I want to do something very special with this one, a mini album, of course. So I am going to share with you in another video how my mini album looks. And these come in plain, a set of plain cuts, and also this kind of vintage, see, cutting edge. And these ones are 8 inches. The big one is 8 inches by 11 and a quarter, okay, 11 and a quarter. And you can use your 12 by 12 papers for the big pages, because it's 11 and a quarter and it fits. I hope you like these ideas and how to use these dies. And don't forget that I'm going to put all the links of these dies in the description box, just in case you want to buy any. And stay tuned for the next video where I'm going to show you how I use this die. Okay, thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye bye.